Susan, a young, aspiring entrepreneur, is at her wits' end. She has been tirelessly searching for a sustainable way to make money online, but all she has encountered are empty promises and get-rich-quick schemes. Disillusioned and tired, Susan feels lost and disappointed. The online world can be daunting, especially for beginners like her. She yearns for a genuine opportunity, something that will not only provide financial stability, but also empower her to fulfill her dreams. Little does Susan know that her journey is about to take an unexpected turn, leading her to a world of discovery and unlocking the secrets of affiliate marketing. As luck would have it, Susan's path crosses with Mark, a renowned affiliate marketer, at a bustling networking event. Intrigued by his visible success and the confidence he exudes, Susan gathers the courage to approach him. Eager to learn from someone who has already achieved what she aspires to, Susan is determined to uncover the secrets that led to Mark's remarkable journey in the affiliate marketing world. A conversation filled with inspiration and hope awaits. As Susan is about to embark on a transformative encounter that will change the course of her life forever, Mark takes the time to patiently explain the intricate workings of affiliate marketing to Susan. He unravels the potential earnings, the flexibility it offers, and the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. With each word, Susan's eyes light up with newfound excitement and hope. It dawns on her that she may have stumbled upon the key to unlock a world of financial freedom and independence. The possibilities seem endless as she envisions a life where she can pursue her passions while earning a sustainable income. Susan can feel her dreams becoming a tangible reality. Recognizing Susan's potential, Mark extends a generous hand of mentorship and support. He offers her invaluable resources, comprehensive training materials, and personal guidance to kickstart her journey in affiliate marketing. Overwhelmed with gratitude, Susan realizes the tremendous opportunity placed before her. Fueled by determination and a thirst for knowledge, she eagerly embraces the chance to learn and grow under Mark's mentorship. Armed with the tools and insights bestowed upon her, Susan sets out on her path, ready to overcome challenges and transform her dreams into reality. Several months have passed, and Susan's transformation is nothing short of extraordinary. Through hard work, dedication, and the knowledge gained from affiliate marketing, she has become a thriving success story in her own right. Susan eagerly shares her inspiring journey, emphasizing how affiliate marketing has not only brought her financial stability, but also a newfound sense of fulfillment and purpose. Her passion is infectious as she encourages others to step out of their comfort zones and explore the limitless potential of affiliate marketing. Susan's story is proof that with determination and the right guidance, anyone can achieve their dreams.